Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these delicious, tender lamb chops, okay? But before we get started, let me just go ahead and tell y'all I'm doing a voiceover because I straight up fucked this video up. And I recorded it in slow and quick, so it's fucked up. But make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is in the description below. It is now digitally, y'all, so let's get to it.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really to blow you up.
Okay, y'all, so we are starting off with our lamb chops, y'all. We have a rack of lamb, and I was looking at this rack like, okay, this look real small. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but we just gonna continue. So I started to cut the lambs, and when I cut it, I'm like, oh, okay, these are pretty big, like they big enough. So you're just gonna cut your lambs just like I'm cutting it here. And then I'm just gonna show y'all how this look, okay? But I do want to show y'all this back part, the fat cap. I don't have much fat there, so it's nothing really for me to cut off. That's a good enough fat to keep on there, so I'm gonna just keep mine. Y'all can cut y'all's off if y'all want to. I don't really think it's necessary. And so this is just how it's looking, y'all. So now we're just gonna go ahead and season it, y'all. And I totally forgot to put some olive oil on there, so just disregard that or put some olive oil on there. Y'all, I don't know what I had going on here, but just season it with some garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of lemon pepper, okay? Not too much. I'm trying to record and everybody is just in my business, y'all. I just can't even get this video done. But I did want to show y'all how good the seasonings look, so there you have it. So we're just gonna season it all, and then we're just gonna pat it in, and then we're just gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side, y'all. And make sure y'all get the back part and the fat cap in every part of these lamb chops, y'all. So now that we have everything all seasoned up, y'all, I do have another pack of lamb chops over there, but don't worry about that. I'm just gonna show y'all this one rack that I'm gonna be using. Okay, so we're gonna get a half a stick of butter. We're gonna melt it down a little bit, only for like 5 seconds in a microwave. Okay, don't melt it all the way because you still want it to be kind of thick, okay, when we make this compound butter. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of garlic, and it's better to have fresh garlic, but y'all do what y'all want. Okay, we're gonna have some olive oil, maybe about a teaspoon or 2, okay, not too much. And then we are going to lemon zest about half of this lemon, okay. Make sure that when y'all are doing this, y'all are not getting down to the white part. Once you get down to the white part, it starts to get very, very bitter. So just turn it and turn it and turn it as you get your lemon zest, okay? See, I'm just trying to show y'all here. We pretty much done with that. So now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of parsley. And we're going to season it with the same seasonings that we seasoned our meat with. The only thing that we're doing different here is adding a little bit of rosemary that I just chopped down, okay? Rosemary smells so good, y'all. I love me some rosemary on some meat. So we're just going to mix this in real good. I should have got a bigger bowl because it looked like I'm finna struggle mixing this up. So just mix it up real good, and then, y'all, we're just going to set this aside. And I'm going to just show y'all how good it looks. That's some good compound butter, okay? So now we're going to get our skillet real hot, and we're going to add some olive oil to the bottom of the pan, maybe about a tablespoon or 2. And then we're just going to add our lamb chops, and we're going to make sure that it's flat. Okay? And then we're going to cook this for about 4 minutes on each side, y'all. After about 4 minutes, you're just going to go ahead and give it a little flip. And y'all can see that nice char on there. That is what we want, okay? Not burnt, a nice flavorful char. So then we remove them and put them on this wire rack. And then we're going to add some of that compound butter, y'all. We're just going to spread it on there and do both sides. After we've cooked our meat and removed it all, we're going to scrape up any dark bits, okay? We can keep the brown bits, but the burnt bits, we're gonna take those out, okay? This is why you don't want to cook it too high like I did, and cook it on like medium to low heat, okay? So then we're gonna add our shallots and our garlic. We're gonna cook that in for about a minute or so and add about 2 tablespoons of that compound butter. Mix that in, y'all, and then we're gonna go in with some parsley. Some fresh parsley is always the way to go, y'all. It's not that hard to cut up some parsley, okay? After that, we're gonna start to deglaze with some wine. Y'all have about a cup of wine, some dry wine, some Chardonnay. Okay, you're gonna cook that in for about 2 to 3 minutes so we can cook off that alcohol. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit of juice from the lemon, y'all. Y'all, after that, it's pretty much done. I left this in slow motion, y'all. The whole video was like this, so I had to speed it up to make it look normal. But I went ahead and added some of that juice to my lamb chops, y'all. Add some parsley, add some red pepper flakes, because y'all know I like spice. Okay, y'all, this is how it came out. I did already go ahead and taste one, y'all, and it is tender. So if yours come out tough, what you can do is put it back in the pot and put some of that with the sauce, y'all, and just let it just marinate in there for about 4 minutes on low, and you will get it to be tender if it doesn't come out tender the way that you like it, okay? So don't forget, y'all, that the grocery list is in the description below. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, y'all, what y'all want to see, and what y'all want to learn. Y'all, and this is what I mean, y'all, by simmer on low. This is what I mean. It's only been in here for like 2 minutes. I'm gonna put some more of that butter on there. Whatever's left, or if it's none left, don't worry about it. And yeah.
Hit that subscribe button.